Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most fascinating modern reinterpretations of an automotive legend. This is the 2026 Ford Model T Convertible, a fully reimagined restomod inspired by the world's first mass-produced car, but rebuilt with modern craftsmanship, premium materials, and contemporary performance. Based on the images we've reviewed, this isn't just a tribute, it's a complete rebirth of an icon. The front end of the 2026 Model T Convertible blends vintage charm with modern precision. A black grille with a bold Ford emblem anchors the design, staying true to the original Model T identity. Round LED headlights reinterpret the classic look while delivering modern brightness and clarity. The chrome bumper and trim pieces add a polished, upscale feel. The glossy red paintwork gives the car a show car presence, reflecting light like a high-end custom build. In one of the images, the open door reveals a beige interior that contrasts beautifully with the deep red exterior. The front fascia feels both nostalgic and fresh, like a 1920s roadster brought into the 2020s without losing its soul. From the side, the Model T Convertible maintains the proportions that made the original famous, but with a refined, modern stance. Rounded fenders preserve the vintage silhouette. Modern alloy wheels, in black or polished metal, give the car a planted, performance-ready look. The folding beige, soft-top roof reinforces the classic roadster character. The body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, creating a clean, elegant profile. In the countryside driving shots, the car shows off a wider track and updated suspension, giving it stability the original Model T could only dream of. It's a perfect blend of old-school charm and modern engineering. The rear of the 2026 Model T Convertible is one of its strongest visual moments. A large Ford emblem sits proudly at the center. LED taillights maintain a classic shape but deliver modern illumination. Dual chrome exhaust pipes on both sides hint at real performance under the hood. The Model T license plate reinforces the car's identity as a modern restomod. In the sunset driving shots, the red paint glows warmly, giving the rear end a cinematic, almost postcard-like quality. It's unmistakably a Model T, but elevated to a premium, modern standard. Inside, the 2026 Model T Convertible delivers a luxurious reinterpretation of early Ford design. A polished wood dashboard with 5 chrome-ringed analog gauges pays homage to classic instrumentation. The Ford-branded steering wheel blends vintage styling with modern ergonomics. A digital climate and infotainment display is subtly integrated into the center stack, adding convenience without breaking the retro theme. Beige leather seats, door panels, and carpeting create a warm, upscale cabin environment. Chrome accents and a wood-trimmed center console complete the premium look. It's a cabin that feels handcrafted, nostalgic, and surprisingly modern. While the original Model T made just 20 horsepower, the 2026 restomod version is built for real-world performance. Based on the dual exhaust setup and modern chassis cues, a realistic configuration would be: engine, 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbo or a compact modern V6. Power output, 250 to 300 horsepower. Transmission, 6 to 10-speed automatic. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive, 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 6 to 7 seconds. Top speed, around 120 to 130 miles per hour. The goal isn't supercar numbers. It's a smooth, responsive, enjoyable, classic modern driving experience. Given the craftsmanship, materials, and restomod nature of the build, a realistic market price would fall between $120,000 to $180,000 US. This places it in the same territory as high-end restomods and hand-built specialty vehicles. As for availability, estimated launch window, late 2026, likely in limited production. Restomods of this caliber are typically built in small batches, making each unit highly collectible. The 2026 Ford Model T Convertible is more than a modern remake. It's a celebration of automotive history, rebuilt with today's technology and craftsmanship. From its LED-enhanced classic front end to its luxurious interior and modern turbocharged performance, it stands as a tribute to the car that started it all. For enthusiasts who appreciate heritage, design, and exclusivity, this Reborn Model T is one of the most compelling restomods of the decade.